Hi everyone. This will be a flip through of a new junk journal I've just completed. This is a spring themed journal featuring the Sesame Street characters. This is a little golden book from either the late 90s or early 2000s. Let's measure it first. About 6 1/4 by 7 7/8. It's 2 signatures. It is a hard spine that I redid using chipboard, Tyvek, and wrapped in fabric. Homemade tassel. It's got a variety of really fun beads, buttons, fibers, vintage rickrack, and yarn. And it is removable. And then I added, it has book corners on it for protection, and I covered up the UPC code on these books with just a little embellishment of some sort. Okay, let's check it out. Oh, I forgot to mention, this one has 132 pages total back and front, so 66 back and front each of the 2 signatures. And there's a variety of different papers in here for writing. There's some vintage ephemera in here. There's some discontinued wallpaper, vintage gift wrap, all of the original book pages, plus more book pages from other books that go with the theme. We have a double pocket first. This is a little Sesame Street and Snuffleupagus journaling card. The tag. My mom actually made this with her embroidery machine, so I glued that to the tag. And then we have a music flashcard. Children's dictionary page. All of the digital kits that I used, if I purchased a digital kit to use, will be listed below, plus all of the other ones that I use as my standard digital downloads for journals. The rest of it is scrapbook paper. This is vintage gift wrap. This is a page from Amity Bloom's digital kit on Etsy. A glassine bag with some tickets and a clothing tag that I glued to the back so you can write on it. Book page about plants. This is Kool-Aid dyed lace. This is another journaling card. Another image from a Sesame Street book with the Count, because he does make an appearance in this book. This is a vintage Hallmark sticker. This is an envelope made out of a page from a beautiful, I think it's called Beautiful Villages of Ireland. So it was very colorful. I thought I needed to add that. Kool-Aid dyed paper here, little fabric tab, vintage book page, vintage song sheet out of a children's school music book. Each of the signatures in the center have little butterflies. This is a little silk flower. I thought these little cookie bats were so cute. I don't think bats are cute, but I think these bats are cute. There he is again. This is a little tuck spot with Snuffle again. Journaling card. And this is from a preschool practice book from the 80s. This is a little notepad sheet, and this is a page from a book about dahlias. This is just a little gift tag. And this is a bridge card. Little fabric cluster here. Fabric flip. Next signature. This is a very bright, colorful page. I didn't add anything over this just because I didn't want to cover it up. This is a brayered acrylic paint graph page. It's a page from a Dick and Jane book, I believe. Tracing paper. Doily. Discontinued wallpaper. Paint chip pocket with a seed packet, journaling card, and of course a flashcard. Some vintage eyelet. This is a Dover Flowers coloring book. Fabric pocket. We have a little duck image here, and then a little ad or a little how-to article from a gardening magazine from the 50s. This is from an Ideals magazine. It is a mailbox with flowers coming out of it with some quotes on the back. Several fabric ruffles in this journal. Little cluster again. Another page from the Sesame Street book. It was just too big. I didn't want to cut it off, so I just clipped it in here. There's the other half of the Ideals page. This is a little bonus pocket made out of a graph index card. This is just a little image from a Richard Scarry book. A little guy watering flowers. Plenty of paper to write in this journal, and very colorful. There's a little tag. I had to put a letter on there because it reminds me of Sesame Street. And this is from a Better Homes and Gardens garden binder. And this is a Rita flip. Okay, that is all for this one. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to purchase this or the other, see the other 5 journals that I've listed in my shop, please watch the other videos or go to my Etsy shop, which is linked below. Thank you for watching.